Campaign.
Yes.
Okay, choose classic.
So
So we are choosing.
this one is for AI based.
Yes. So what will happen is in Accelerate, AI will decide
Sure, sure.
who can we target or who can your target audience be, where are your audience. So it's completely AI based. So we don't want to do that because we have a specific audience that we want to target. So
Okay.
we'll choose classic.
Okay.
Next. Okay, I see that you have set a group level budget. That is a budget of 1,500 on a daily basis. All right, you can just scroll down, click on next.
Where? Okay.
Next, there's an option next.
Next.
Okay, so now what we'll do is we will try to scroll down. Okay, can you click on the location? You can see the pencil icon on the right.
Okay.
Now you can choose the places that you want to look.
Okay. See, in Turkey, it is Turkey or what? So it
Turkey
is
is
spelled like this. I wanted to target Turkey. I need to click this one also.
the Istanbul, Turkey. You don't have to just target Turkey, Istanbul, Turkey. You can take that off. Yeah.
Okay. UAE. So I have selected this one, so I need to click this one also because Dubai is written here. So which one?
You can choose the first one.
First one.
Yeah.
So I need to cancel this.
Yes, you can cancel that.
Okay. Okay. This one is okay.
Okay. Okay, you can close the tab now. On the top, you can see the close. Same place where you click. Yeah. Now you
Okay.
can click on narrow.
This one.
Yes.
Okay.
So we'll scroll down a bit. First, we'll try to target the audiences. Okay. So you want decision makers. So click on audience attribute. You can see audience attribute. You can go under job experience,
Hmm.
job seniority. Now you can target the decision makers. That could be your anybody above, yeah, VP, directors, managers, seniors.
No, this one only.
Okay, so now you can close this one. Okay, now click on narrow again.
Okay.
Okay, now what we'll do is we will look into job functions to understand what kind of job functions will work in this one.
Where? This one.
Click on that, please.
Job experience.
Yeah, now click on job functions.
Okay.
Okay, so are any of these are relevant to you? See, engineers, you see engineers in job function, you have infotech. Are these your audience?
Wait.
If this is not your audience, what we can do is we can check as per industry.
As per industry.
Yeah, you can like remove this one, remove the X mark, remove
Okay.
purchasing. Okay, now can you click on job experience, the home icon next to that,
Okay.
on top, on top. You see company, right? No, no,
Where?
companies on top, on the left side, top, left. Yeah. Now you can see company industry. Yeah, now you can see any of these industry are your relevant audience. You choose manufacturers because they are one of your clients as well.
We want only manufacturers of transformers only. So
You will have
particularly
mechanical.
this, when I search for like transformer,
Mm-hmm.
so there are no such things come up.
Okay, what you can do is you
Hmm.
can just choose remove all this. Yeah, whoever is not applicant on this list, you can just remove them off.
In manufacturing.
Yeah. So under manufacturing, whatever is not relevant in your industry, you can take them off. So on the left hand side, you have manufacturing list. So industry, company industry.
Hmm.
So now you can scroll down there on the right side. Yes, manufacturers.
This one.
Yes, you can click on that. Now you can choose which industry your
This
products will be
one.
applicable with. Okay. You can go back on manufacturing now. There on the left side, you can choose which industry. Yeah. Now the other industries that can be applicable.
Fabricated metal product.
It could be one of your relevant industry as well because they're gonna use your metals. Yeah.
Yes.
So you can come back again to manufacturers. Now you can choose other.
This one.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. This is okay.
Okay. And now coming back to manufacturers, if you see any other relevant industry that can use your products, scroll down, you'll know. On the right side, yeah.
Basically, we are into non-ferrous metal.
Okay. Okay, so these are your more of your industries that you can
Yes,
target.
yes, yes.
Okay. Now you
Okay.
can close this one.
Okay.
So we got a very small audience size, which is 28,000.
Yes.
Okay, but these are the relevant audience that you want to target.
Hmm.
Now, based on this,
Hmm.
what we can do is we can choose. Now
Hmm.
you can click on narrow again.
Okay.
Now you can click on audience attributes.
Okay.
You wanted to include a few companies, right? Can you
Yes.
click on company?
Okay.
You can add those companies now.
I have a Excel list of this
Okay,
company.
you can upload that list then. Do you have it uploaded already?
These are my company list.
You would have to download the template from Excel and then insert that this data in that template, and then you will be able to upload it.
Where? Just wait.
I'll teach you. Just can you go back to the campaign manager tool?
Wait. Where?
Okay, so for this first you would have to, okay, let's do one thing. Close this one, please.
Wait, wait, wait.
So we're almost at the end of this meeting. Do you want to extend it by 5-10 minutes if that works?
Yes, yes, yes.
Okay.
Okay, done. Now,
Okay, so you can go back, click on the home icon on the top, here on the left side. Okay, you
this
just
one.
scrolled on top. Scroll down a bit.
Okay,
Okay, you see home icon below and
this
right next
one.
to company. Yeah, yeah.
Okay,
So you have audience. Click on audience
okay,
on top audience, not the audience attribute, audience.
okay.
So you see list upload. Here you can enter the company list. Click on company list. So currently you don't have a company list. You can upload this using, you can enter the name. See, you have an option called as download contact list template, company list template. Can you
Where?
click on that? Below. No, below that. You can see a blue hyperlink. Yeah. Click on that. Can you open that file?
So I need to upload on this Excel sheet.
Yeah, you would have to use this data. So you can see the header the way it is. You would have to enter the data according to this. Like in the
Okay.
same file, you can enter the data. Yeah. So you would need company name, you would need company website, you need company
So
domain.
if something is missing, then for
You can
example,
leave
I
it
don't
blank.
for
But
so many companies, if I don't
Mhm.
have any website or contact number or zip code like this.
Well, you can always use the Google, because on Google you will find those data, because these are very simple data that you would need to enter accordingly.
Domain, company email domain. So need to fill everything.
Yes, you would have to fill this accordingly, because this will help your contact list to be used on targeting based on LinkedIn.
Okay.
Okay, so this is one of the way where you can use your contact list, whatever you have, all the companies that you have. You can use
Okay.
it. See, when you click on agree and upload, you'll have that list coming here on your screen.
Sure, sure, sure.
Okay, you can select that. Now you
Okay.
can scroll down. You can turn off the audience expansion, because as you said, your audiences are very specific. You only want those people to see your ads.
Hmm.
And there you can choose the ad format later, next part. That's
Hmm.
the single image ad. Then you can
Okay.
scroll down a bit more.
This is a campaign
Scroll down.
tracking parameter.
Sorry?
Tracking parameter. This one.
Yes, it will help you predict, or sorry, not predict. It will help you understand how many people are landing on your page.
Okay.
Just to give you an overview of what's the traffic. Nothing
Okay.
more than that. Okay.
Okay.
It'll give you dynamics.
Hmm.
So scroll down a bit.
Okay.
So here comes the budget part,
Hmm.
where you can set your budget. So
Okay.
currently, as you see that you have already set a group budget on your campaign group level. This is in campaign. So in the group level, you have already set a budget of 1,500 that you
Hmm.
want to spend.
Hmm.
It won't exceed that.
Okay.
So here you have bidding strategy that you have chosen is
Hmm.
cost cap, right?
Why it is
You don't want to.
unverified?
You have you inserted the data properly?
Yes.
Okay. So just save and exit on
Okay.
bottom. Save and exit. Can you, on the left hand side, can you see data? Can you click on Signal Manager? Okay. So can you go under? Just give me 1 minute. Okay. Why is it saying unverified? Okay. What might have happened is the tag might have not been inserted rightly. That's the only reason it's been unverified.
Okay. So for this also you can help me out.
This one, your website developer would have to do this.
Okay.
You can choose the conversion tracking as per your convenient.
So default value we can put 1.
You can put 0 as well. It's just a default value that you're giving to it.
Okay, 1 is okay.
So now you can choose what is your source, where, how do you want to insert it, using what. And it says unverified because your third-party tag manager, right? It's not installed properly. You would have to speak to your website developer so that he can grant access to it. So it goes verified.
Okay, okay. This is okay.
Yes, this part is okay. You just need to talk to your website developer so he can get this processed out properly.
Okay,
So
sir.
that's where your conversion tracker will work.
Okay.
So now you understood how the targeting is done. Now you can discuss and upload that list
Okay.
so that you can target the audience accordingly.
Okay. So thank you, sir.